This is my friend Jake. He has a pit bike track in his backyard. Initially, we just went over to ride and have fun, but soon, things took a turn.
Oh my god! Alright guys, welcome back to Ryan's video. Hope you guys enjoyed. Let's get on this freaking thing right here. Woo! All right! Ah! I don't know about that.
Hey, you do it, I'll do it. Yo! Let's go, baby. Hell yeah. Turkey. Let's go. I jumped sick. Thought it was way bigger than it was. It's all a mind game. Woo!
Where's he at? Where's he at with it? Yeah, oh my god!
I can't stop.
Damn, brother!
I can't stop for that corner, dude. I like, as soon as I land, I'm on the brakes. That's why I locked up. It's because my foot was on the brake. I don't have enough stopping power, dude. I need a big brake kit. I need some Brembos.
Oh no, not the inside line! God, this thing's a pile, man. Heck yeah, Ryan. He's blowing the berm every time.
I blow the corner every time.
Let's see it, Ryan.
Whee!
Yeah!
You ride mine?
Yeah, I want to feel it. It's really good at whatever gear this is in. Yeah, it just dies randomly. Oh,
It's out of gas.
it is?
Yeah, this is out of gas. That's why I wasn't running right. We'll do it.
I have some gas right there. Is this like worse than the walk of shame? All right, let's see if this thing runs a little bit better now.
Keep going.
Okay. Got him! Jake, I'm gonna go tag Ryan. He'll be it, okay? Be ready to run. You're it!
This turned from a friendly pit bike exhibition to a pit bike tag. So I say let's go launch some bikes at people. I know where to go. What the? Miller's on top of the mountain. Ah! No, I stalled it.
Oh, you juked him out, baby! Oh shit, no! Oh shit, he's on my ass! Oh my god, Ryan! Ah!
Alright, we gotta be a little more sneaky about this.
Oh my god, seriously? Seriously? I can't.
Let's go, baby! No tag backs.
No way. Ryan!
Hey!
He's right there! What's the plan here? I thought it was me and Ryan versus you.
It is.
That's what I thought. But why is he not helping?
What?
It's you and me or it, right?
Oh, I thought we were just playing like normal tag.
Oh.
But yeah, I guess so.
Oh my god, holy holy shit. Right, go, go, go!
Well, well, well. What do we have here? Ah! What the, what? Tugboat? Whoa! That's oil change pit.
No way!
Hey, don't make me launch this shit at you. I'll do it.
Oh my God, you fall down there, you're dead.
Jake, I'm gonna kill you.
Damn it, Jake.
He's just having the time of his life. He's just giggling every time we go by him.
Go, Ryan, go. I hate you so much, Jake. God dang it. I hate this stupid bike, bro. Ryan!
Oh, rocks! Holy shit!
Oh my God, just imagine though, somebody that's like fucking.
Buddy took my keys. You sick son of a bitch. Oh man, the walk of shame.
No way.
You piece of shit.
All right, where are we going?
I don't know, you trying to stay together or separate?
I think we spread it out, dude.
I'm down.
Well, we're playing a game of tag with me and Ryan. I can't say that I'm not counting because I'm in here taking a piss. And so far we got 13 seconds on the GoPro. So they said count to 21. I think by the time we get out there and get her set up on the helmet, we're gonna be ready to rip. Let's go get these chumps.
Nice. I think I might park over here by my trailer.
Got a good idea. Hell yeah, baby. Let's go. So I can either take the bridge, I can take the truck, or I can take the car out.
I think we go get Miller first. I feel like Miller's probably gonna be hiding somewhere.
No, no. How the f did you get over there?
See ya! No way! No way! Oh shit!
Got you! Yeah! Look at that, baby! The tire tug!
That was so freaking scary, Ryan.
We should play one more game of tag and I'll get on the KLX and you can ride this.
Okay, thank you.
That way it's more even.
Bro, that tire tap was sick.
I thought you were running straight into me. Hey, Ryan.
Yeah? No, bruh. No.
It's Jake.
Wasn't Jake Seeker last time? Isn't it your turn now?
I won't be able to catch anybody, but I'll try.
You're fast, dog. What do you mean?
Oh, it might help if the key was on.
Hey, I need some damn C7 Z06 brakes on this son bitch. I cannot stop this thing. Are you counting?
I'm counting. I'll be it.
Okay.
1, 2, 3, 4.
All right, hear me out. I'm going right here, but there's only one way to get here. Unless you go backwards, you have to take the track. You can't cut through it right here, you know, because of the swamp. So I think right here is my move. And if he starts coming straight at me, I'm gonna whip a Yui. And if he doesn't, I'm gonna go straight. I have no idea where Jake is.
Oh, this is gonna be money. I just gotta make sure I leave a way out.
Ready or not, here I come. Ow, Jake's pegs are sharp. Ow, God, I hit the freaking pole. Stupid pole. I already know Jake's back in here, dude. Let's go!
Did you see me?
I saw your GoPro. Alright, where's Ryan at?
I only see Miller. And I see Jake. You tag? Damn!
Oh, he cased the dog shit out of it.
That's the quickest round ever.
Well, boys, she's totaled.
What would up your clutch lever?
Did you not see me frame case that shit?
No, did you?
The frame's definitely split in half right now.
Didn't get enough speed there, bud?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. Damn, y'all suck. Y'all would not make it at a hair scramble.
Oh, my God.
Wait, are you boat chasing me? Oh, shit! Oh, shit.
I can't turn that tight. Damn, dude, Miller's killing it right now.
Oh my God, he scared the shit out of me, bro. I thought he was gonna crash. Oh my God. Oh my God. I'm sorry, Ryan, about this video. Quick, on my feet. Oh, switching up on him. Oh. I feel like I'm out of here. Oh shit, I really don't know where to go. God dang it.
Round of applause for that one.
That was so scary.
Dude, why the f are you so good on a 110? What the hell?
Did you hear me yell? That was pure fear.
That shit was so funny. Do we have a clear winner here? I think Jake lasted the longest. That's about it.
We'll get one more. One more for the berries.
Well, who's gonna be? Oh,
I'll go count.
one more for the berries, for all the chickens.
But I think I got a whooping stick.
Oh my God, Jake.
Oh my God.
Better watch yourself.
We're not jousting.
He's a fucking wizard, Harry.
Bro's gonna cast a spell on us.
Jake, go to the front of the house.
I'm in the what? Hey, there's a chair. Dude, are you kidding me? Screw riding. This is it.
I have a feeling this is a terrible spot.
Come on. I'll play you in rock, paper, scissors. I have nowhere to go.
I'll come back for you.
Okay, let's go. You gotta talk to him, baby. He's looking back at me. Oh, neutral!
Where you at, buddy? I like you trying to come over here and take my hiding spot.
No, no. Just give me 5 seconds to get back on the bike.
One.
Jake, let's talk about this,
I
bro.
seen a big copperhead right there the other day.
Are you
Just watch
fucking
out.
serious?
Miller's getting on his quad. I can hear it.
I'll distract him.
That thing kicks up so much dust, dude. Look at that, it looks like the Dust Bowl. I can't even, this is just dangerous. Someone's gonna hit each other. Smoke out, let's go. I can't even see his headlight.
No, dude. Me. It's pretty good high spot, huh? Why'd you have to touch my nipple?
Let's go hide from Ryan.
Oh my god, Jake. I'm gonna hide behind the foam. Did you set this up right here?
Yeah.
Oh my god.
They're hiding, bro. They're planning a surprise attack. I'm scared. I'm so scared. Where do they go? I'm about to just haul ass back there. They won't even see me coming.
Why is he ripping still? Why is he going so fast? Hey, let's creep up there. Let's creep up to him.
Miller, Jake, where are you? Oh, I see one. I see both.
Oh my god, Ryan!
Stalled it. It's a pretty lame way to go out.
What happened, bro?
I stalled it. It's too hard on the brakes.
That was fun.
Dude, my butt cheeks are raw now.
Your butt cheeks are raw. That was so funny. I was like, is this the Dust Bowl?
The dust storm.
All right, that's a GoPro battery. That means video's over. Jake wins. Yay, he survived the longest for sure. Ow. I just pegged myself. Wait. Wait.